How far my people? How una dey? I believe say una dey okay. Yeah, today make we talk about wetin cause Bitcoin make im crash like that. Nothing much because no be only Bitcoin crash, even other financial market sef crash like stock market and other forex market. So no think say na only Bitcoin. And the reason for this crash na because of inflation and interest rate wey the government wey dem increase, shey you understand. So and some people don dey talk say maybe na because Binance associate with Elon Musk, na why I just dey laugh. Well, wetin person no know, e no know am be that. So no think say because Bitcoin crash na because of Binance wey partner with Elon Musk. No, na because of inflation and interest rate wey dem add. So all the whole financial market dey down at the moment. And if you wan learn anything about crypto, wey you wan understand anything about financial market, na the best time to learn be this. I still dey talk am before the hype men come in back, because the market go still go back. This thing don happen, no be once, no be twice, and this no go even be the last. E go still happen again. If you wan learn anything for financial market, na the best time to enter be this. Thank you.